Hey guys, it's Dr. Singh and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something super important. Type 2 diabetes. If you're living with it, you know it's a constant companion like that friend who never leaves your side, but instead of gossiping, it's all about blood sugar levels and stuff. But hey, no stress, because in this video, we're going to unpack some seriously easy and practical tips to help you master and manage your type 2 diabetes. We're talking real talk, just pure, unadulterated advice to help you live your best life. So if you're ready to dive in, grab your water bottle and get comfortable. All right, health and wellness fam, first things first. Let's talk about food. We all love to eat, right? But when it comes to managing type 2 diabetes, what you put on your plate can make all the difference. Think of it like this. Your body is a temple, and you gotta feed it the good stuff. We're talking about loading up on fiber-rich fruits and veggies that'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. And don't forget about lean proteins. Chicken, fish, beans, lentils, these guys are your new best friends. They'll give you that steady energy you need to conquer your day. Oh, and one more thing. Those sugary drinks and processed snacks? Yeah, those are a big no-no. They'll spike your blood sugar levels faster than you can say diabetes. So, stick to water, unsweetened beverages, and whole unprocessed foods. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Okay, now that we've got the food situation sorted, let's talk about getting those bodies moving. I know, exercise can seem about as appealing as a root canal, but trust me on this one. Regular physical activity is like magic for managing type 2 diabetes. It helps your body use insulin better, which means better blood sugar control. And the best part? It doesn't have to be anything crazy intense. A brisk walk in the park, a swim in the pool, or even just dancing around your living room like nobody's watching. It all counts. Just find something you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. Next up, we're going full-on detective mode and talking about monitoring your blood sugar levels. This is super important because it helps you understand how your body responds to different foods and activities. Imagine this, you're Sherlock Holmes, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving the mystery of your blood sugar. Keeping a log of your readings is like taking notes on your cases. It helps you spot patterns, identify triggers, and make adjustments as needed. It's like having a superpower that helps you stay in control of your health. All right, my friends, let's talk about the elixir of life water. Staying hydrated is crucial for everyone, but especially for those of us living with type 2 diabetes. Think of water as your body's internal cleaning crew. It helps flush out toxins, keeps everything running smoothly, and even helps regulate blood sugar levels. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, like, seriously, keep that water bottle glued to your hand. And if plain water sounds a bit boring, jazz it up with some lemon, cucumber, or mint. Your taste buds and your blood sugar will thank you for it. Last but not least, let's talk about medication. Now, I know some people might be a little hesitant about taking medication, but listen up. If your doctor has prescribed you medication for your type 2 diabetes, it's super important to take it exactly as directed. Think of it like this. Your medication is like your trusty sidekick, always there to help you manage your blood sugar levels and stay healthy. Skipping doses or not taking it properly is like ditching your sidekick in the middle of a mission. Not cool, right? So be a good friend to your medication and take it as prescribed. It's one of the best things you can do for your health. And there you have it, folks. 5 simple yet effective tips to help you master the art of living with type 2 diabetes. Remember, managing this condition is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but the important thing is to keep going, stay informed, and never be afraid to ask for help when you need it. You are strong, you are capable, and you've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our growing community for more health tips and advice. Check out this helpful website called AboveBias.com. And remember to stay healthy and take care.